Welcome! Today I'm with OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G and I'll show you how you can check your battery temperature. The first step is go to the Play Store and here in this search pool type the Ampere and we have to get this application. Tap to install and wait a few seconds. Now you can open the application. Click yes, agree, tap to close, and here on the left down corner just tap to OK, and now you get this information about your phone. If you will swipe with your finger on my left, you will see the temperature of your phone, the health, the model, the Android version, and a lot of another information. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.